we're here because New York City, specifically in Times Square, is hosting today's activities for Air Force Week, a week-long activity that kicked off on the USS Intrepid Airspace Museum on Tuesday. We've got activities going on all week to include today's two-block Times Square shutdown, where we've got everything from our monster trucks behind us here to the Air Force's Orange County chopper bike, to the Air Force Honor Guard and Drill Team, and Command Center Alpha, which is an interactive display complete with a full F-16 Thunderbird fighter jet parked here in Times Square.